This is the outside world. As you can see, there are many things on the outside world. Like here, over here. This is Kukuk. Kukuk is our chicken. See? He knows how to dance, like me. I love you, Cook. And that over there, that is Pitchy. That is our dog. That is our oldest dog that we had. Ding! There she is. She's looking over here. Ding! Oh, she's cute. This is another random chicken. This is daddy's chicken. This is tough. You don't want to dull him because he will beat you. And here, this is daddy's another chicken. See? His mouth. And that is the house of the pigeons. There, that's the pigeon house. Let's take another look at it. From here, yeah, let's see. There, you can see a pigeon there. There, you can see them. There, can you see it? Yes. There, can you see them? There they are. See, there they are. They're flying away. And over here, this is the snake. It will bite you. Watch out. This is its food. It is a chick, and the snake will be hungry. And the last but not the least, that is Kimar. Oh! I will be going back to my house.